I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic.
What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is LS Chevy Rider 254. What I have going on this channel is primarily LS swap vehicles. I have a LS swap C10, I have a LS swap 84 Caprice, and I have a 73 Chevelle, which is not LS swap, but it's still a Chevy nonetheless. So make sure you go and you click that subscribe button and never miss a video. Also hit the bell icon to make sure you get notified every time we do a live stream. We try to live stream every Friday, try to upload videos every day. Once it's not every day, it'll probably be at least 2 times a week. So turn that notification on and hit that bell to make sure that you never miss a video. Never. Ever. However, I'm glad that you found the channel and that's why you're watching this video. So make sure that you click that subscribe button and come on in and watch and see the videos that we had to offer. It's your boy, LS Chevy Rider 254. Remember, identify your weakness and make me stress.